Hello dear students, in today's video we are discussing anchor tag in HTML. Yes, we already discussed anchor tag in HTML, but in today's video we are discussing how to use image. It means how to create image as a link. Okay, so let's start. Open your notepad. Okay, it is open here, and now start your coding. As usual, coding you everybody knows HTML, then close HTML, then body. Okay, and close body tag. And here in see, you want to create, you we are creating here, see, we are creating here image as a link. Okay, so in previous video we create text as a link. So how we use anchor tag and then text. Okay, in between two starting tag and closing tag we use text. Same way you have to use here in anchor tag image. Okay, so look here, I am using here anchor tag. I close here anchor tag, and now here you add your image. We already discussed image tag, so easily you can use image tag. I add here and I will close here image tag, and see how we are closing. First we use anchor tag, then image, then first image tag we will close here, and then anchor tag. Okay, like this way you have to close your tags. And now here what you have to do, you have to give src source. Okay, source, it means where which picture you want to add here. Okay, and as usual with this photo is there, image is there in my folder, so I am giving that jpg. Okay, and now I will save file, save this file. Okay, save it, and it is activity6.html. It is already there, I think it will show message. So I want to replace it, click on S, and now once I will show you this activity 6. Okay, so see here, image is added here, but it is not link. See, hand sign is not showing here, it means it is not link. Okay, and one more attribute I want to use here in this, that is width equal to, I want small picture, so I am giving here 20, and height equal to 20. Okay, and now again save your program and go in browser and refresh it, so image becomes small. Like this way you can use your image, you can make your image size small or large. Okay, and now still it is not a link. Okay, so now okay, anchor tag attribute you know very well, href. Okay, and equal to, and what is the destination where you want to go after clicking on this image. So I want to go in this actual picture. Oh, I will give here vd dot jpg. Okay, or I want to open image, full image I want to open after clicking on this image. Okay, and now you save your file and go in browser and refresh it. Now if you mouse over on it, you will get this hand sign, and if you click on it, it is open here. Okay, so like this way you can use your image, you can make your image as a link. Even you can, one more thing I will show you here, you can use here many times if you are visiting to website, then you are getting like this way. Okay, so see, anchor tag and image. Okay, I gave here image and same destination you give here href and this attribute and same file you give here. Okay, so what will happen after doing this, executing this program? Here I will add br tag, sorry, downside I will add here br tag. You will come to know br tag and close it. Okay, so now look here, you this image text is also your link and this image is also your link. Okay, let's see output. So save it and go in browser and refresh it. So image is also comes here and both are your image and your text is your link. Okay, so after clicking on this you will get your output, this photo and here also, because we gave same destination. Okay, so like this way you can use your this concept, this like this way you can use your anchor tag concept to design your web page. Okay, so today you practice this and very soon you will get one activity on the basis of this tags we discuss. Okay, so today we will stop here. This is your coding, like this way you can use, even you can use here in body tag background color, different things you can use. Okay, I will show you here. If you forget, means after long time we are discussing bg color, color, sorry, r and equal to, I am giving here suppose pink and save it and again refresh your browser. So pink color comes here and you can use here, you can move your image, you can move your text. You know very well, we already discussed many attributes. You have to once go through this video and you have to create your web page, you have to design your web page. Okay, so we will stop here today. Thank you and have a nice day.